How to turn off backup codes in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can disable backup codes in Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Roblox application on your mobile device. And also make sure that it's updated to its latest and newest version available. Now once the app is opened on your device, tap on the More icon from the bottom of the screen and then scroll all the way down and go to Settings that you will find below Blog. Simply tap on it. From the menu that appears, tap on Security, that is between Account Info and Privacy. Once you do that, you will be taken to the security page. Now in this page, scroll down and simply disable the email option by toggling this switch off. Wait for the page to load, and if backup codes are enabled, you will see the backup codes option enabled. Disable the email option, and after disabling it, click on Confirm, and Roblox will send a verification code to your email address. Check your inbox and enter the code that you've received on it. Verify, and then confirm, and that's it. You've disabled the backup codes on your Roblox account. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.